Namaste, dear friends and readers. Today is the auspicious day of Bada Mangal, the Big Tuesday. This is celebrated in Uttar Pradesh. According to the local traditions, Rama and Hanuman met for the first time on a Tuesday in the month of Jyeshta. And the whole month is a great celebration which honors Lord Hanuman. So, this time we are going to take part in that celebration by chanting different Ashtottara Shatanama Stotras of Lord Hanuman from various sources. Today, we will be chanting a Hanumad Ashtottara Shatanama Stotra from Rama Rahasya that has been recorded in a text Rama Bhakti Kalpalata, which gives instructions of how to do Valmiki Ramayana Parayana. That book contains this Ashtottara Shatanama of Hanuman also. We will be chanting this Ashtottara Shatanama now. Atha Shri Rama Rahasya Prokta Hanumad Ashtottara Shatanama Stotram Hanumananjanasunur Dhiman Kesari Nandanaha Vatatmajo Varaguno Vanarendro Virochanaha Sugriva Sachiva Shriman Surya Shishya Sukhapradaha Brahmadattavaro Brahmabhuto Brahmarshi Samnutaha Jitendriyo Jitarati Ramaduto Ranotkataha Sanjeevani Samaharta Sarvasainya Praharshakaha Ravanakampya Saumitri Nayana Sphuta Bhaktiman Ashokavanika Chedi Sita Vatsalya Bhajanam Vishidadbhumitanayarpita Ramanguliyakaha Chudamani Samaneta Rama Dukkhapaharakaha Akshahamta Vikshata Krita Dashananaha Kulya Kalpamahambodhi Simhika Prananashanaha Surasa Vijayopaya Vetta Suranararchitaha Jambavannutamahatmyo Jivitahata Lakshmanaha Jambumaliripurjambhavairi sadhvasanashanaha Astravadhyo Rakshasari Senapati Vinashanaha Lankapura Pradagdha Cha Vala Nalasushitalaha Vanara Prana Samdata Valisunu Priyankaraha Maharupadharo Manyo Bhimo Bhima Parakramaha Bhima Darpaharo Bhaktavatsalo Vatsitasuraha Raghuvamsha Priyakaro Ranadhiro Rayakaraha Bharatarpita Sandesho Bhagavatslishta Vigraha Arjuna Dhvajavasi Cha Tarjita Suranayakaha Mahan Mahamadhuravak Mahatma Matarishvajaha Marunnuto Mahodaraguno Madhuvanapriyaha Mahadhairyo Mahaviryo Mihiradhika Kantiman Annado Vasudo Vagmi Jnanado Vatsalo Vashi Vashikrita Kila Jagad Varado Vanara Kritihi Bhikshurupa Pratichanno Bhitido Bhitivarjitaha Bhumidhara Haro Bhutidayako Bhutasannutaha Bhukti Mukti Prado Bhuma Bhuja Nirjita Rakshasaha वाल्मीकिस्तुतमाहात्म्यो विभीषणसुहृद्विभुः अनुकम्पानिधिः पम्पातीरचारी प्रतापवान् ब्रह्मास्त्रहत रामादिजीवनो ब्रह्मवत्सलः जयवार्ताहरो जेता जानकीशोकनाशनः जानकी रामसाहित्यकारी जनसुखप्रदः बहुयोजनगन्ता च बलवीर्यगुणाधिकः रावणालयमर्दी च रामपादाब्जवाहकः रामनामलसद्वक्त्रो रामायणकथाधृतः रामस्य रूपविलसन्मानसो रामवल्लभः इत्थमष्टोत्तरशतम् नाम्नां वातात्मजस्य यः अनुसन्ध्यं पठेत्तस्य मारुतिः सम्प्रसीदति प्रसन्ने मारुतौ रामो भुक्तिमुक्ति प्रयच्छति इति श्रीरामरहस्योक्तं श्रीहनुमदष्टोत्तरशतनामस्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्. This is the 108 names of Hanuman, the son of Vayu. This should be recited in Sandhya Kala, conjunction periods, morning, noon and evening. If it is recited, Maruti, Hanuman the son of Vayu, is pleased upon the devotee. And if Hanuman becomes pleased on the devotee, Rama blesses the devotee with both worldly materialistic pleasures and final liberation, bhukti and mukti, says the Palashruti of this stotra. Thank you for listening.